train.
Damn train.
It'll come back this way. The light is not so super good. The juice come out there. Look, to get a picture of the box. Stay where you're
Yeah,
at.
it's good. Oh yeah.
It's gonna come right at us.
Watch, he's gonna switch the
It's
track.
gonna come like 70 miles an hour.
Smash.
Watch, he's gonna switch the tracks.
Alright, I got it. I got it.
You guys can jump up. Jump
Oh,
up.
watch, just stay right there. You're good. Switch the tracks over.
It's pretty exciting. Yeah, you have to go through it like 2 or 3 times a day.
Here, I'll let you do it. I'm videoing it.
Oh, you're videoing it? I was going to say get closer.
There you go.
Tell me which way to go, left, right? Now you see the game out.
Okay. Good. Good. Turns here.
If it's plan, ride.
All right. Hanging on.
Now hold on to the rail.